bias and data security. These tools are changing various sectors from business and education to creative industries. Okay, generative AI unlocking the opportunities and navigating the challenges. Exploring.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay. It's clear, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So many opportunities are generative AI. The opportunities increased productivity and efficiency, foster creativity and innovations, then personalized experience, improved customer and services, improved customer services, new business model, and foster decision making and domain specific application. These are the new opportunities ChatGPT and AI, Gemini and Copilot. Increased productivity and efficiency. Repetitive tasks. Generative AI means automatic repetitive tasks. This allows people to focus on more creative work. For example, hit up Copilot and complete code in the real time. Then foster creativity and innovations. Foster creativity means AI model can help with brainstorming and designing by creating new ideas. Tools like Tally, Midjourney, and can produce visual and from text prompt. Then large language models can generate creative writing. These are the new opportunities for generative AI. Then generative AI challenges. Some challenges: accuracy, bias and ethical concern, IP issues, data privacy and securities, workforce challenges, high cost and lack of transparency integration. These are the new challenges of generative AI. Mainly used for ChatGPT and AI, Gemini Copilots. Then generative AI and revolutions. Generative AI has emerged one of the most transformative technologies shift our era. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot are fundamentals, reshaping the how to we approach the creativity and productivity and decision making across the identities. Then generative AI revolution refer a rapid and a transformative impact of generative artificial intelligence. That can create new content like text, images, and code for existing data, sparked by the public reserve rules like ChatGPT in last date 2022. This revolution is characterized by ability to enhance creativity and productivity, automate the process. Then what it is? What is the generative AI revolutions? A new era of content creations. இதுக்காக மெயினாக இது வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஏஐ ரெவல்யூஷன்ஸ்னா நியூ எரா ஆஃப் கண்டென்ட் கிரியேஷன்ஸ். Generative AI uses large LLM, mainly used for LLM and other advanced techniques to generate original content in variety of format, including text, images, audio, video, and code. Then, and simple data retrieval. The classes and product based on the existing information. Generative AI creates new outputs from learned patterns. A powerful tool for collaborations. Generative AI is rapidly a powerful tools for collaboration generation. It functions a digital assistant or collaborators, streamlining workflows and freezing up human to focus on the higher level task. Then market projections 100 people are worked in the market projection, 30% productivity boost, and 5 content types of text, coding, images, and videos auto generation capabilities. These are generating sophisticated written content and functional code for creating stunning images and videos. Generative AI has pre-metered every corner of digital landscape. Then key drivers and examples. Some generative AI relevation, some key drivers and examples. Rapid advancement, public facing example, border ecosystem. These are some example of key drivers. Rapid advancement. What is a rapid advancement? This introduction of generative AI models like GAN in 2014 and transformer architecture in 2017. என்ன மெயின் கீ ட்ரைவர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து இதில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா GAN 2014 அண்ட் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் 2017 வந்து என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கான் திஸ் மாடல்ஸ் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. பப்ளிக் ஃபேஸிங் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஓப்பன் ஏஐ அண்ட் ChatGPT. நம்ம நார்மலாக யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஓப்பன் ஐ ChatGPT வந்து எப்போ நவம்பர் 2022 வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. The generative AI mainstream attentions. So other popular tools include Google Bard and Microsoft Bing Chat. These are the other popular tools. Then border ecosystem. Border ecosystem mainly used in DeepL and Midjourney. These are the popular chatbot text to images models like Dolly and Midjourneys, along with advancement in speech synthesis and other areas. Some example of AI revolutions. Then impact on various fields. Mainly used for art and design, content creation, business and community, business, product development, healthcare, and scientific research. These are the main impact on various fields. Art and design. Mainly art and design, pushing the boundaries of creativity with a new artwork and design pattern and virtual world. Then content writers. Content streamlining the process for writers and creators to generate articles, script and stories. These are the content creations. Business and commerce. E-commerce is through personalized, predicting trends and enhancing the customer experience. Then product development. Innovations like the generating new ideas, analyzing the customer behavior and simulating the products. These are the product development. Then healthcare and scientific research. Healthcare means editing in the drug discovery, designing the clinical trials and generating the synthetic data for training the other models. Then last one, scientific research. Scientific research means evaluating the way research papers are summarized and key information is extracted. These are the some impact on various fields using the generative AI, ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot. Then futures of AI revolution. What are they? Increasing sophistications, autonomous system, test and validations, and economic impact. These are the future of a revolution. Increasing sophisticated means to handle multimodal input, text, images, then etc. These are the increasing sophisticating capabilities in reasoning and planning complex tasks. Then autonomous systems. Autonomous system is a major trend in the development of agent AI. Autonomous system, a major trend in the development of agent AI, which can make independent and goal-oriented decisions. Test and validations. Test and validation means focus is beginning placed on the developing robust tools to validate AI output and ensure the trustworthiness. Then last one, economic impact. Economic impact means with some estimation the predicting trillions of dollars in various additions and multi-trillions and dollar market. These are the some features of the various revolutions. Then opportunities and supercharging creativity and efficiency. Accelerating the human potential. ChatGPT has re-established the way of professional approach, writing, coding, and brainstorming with a human like fluency, understanding. This tool it serves as an always available creative partners that can draft emails, debug code, or generate innovative solution in seconds. Then May, Gemini and Microsoft Copilot have seamlessly integrated AI to daily workflows, enabling developers to write code faster with few bugs and more creativity. These tools don't replace the human expertise; they amplify it. Then ChatGPT accelerate writing the coding brainstorms with natural languages, understanding and generations. Gemini Copilot seamless integrated with already said Gemini Copilot means seamless integrated with the workflow, boosting the developer and productivity by over 30%. Proving result. Microsoft 2025 internal studies Copilot saved 20% of developer time. These are the opportunities of supercharging the creativity and efficiency. So many opportunities in the generative AI's ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. Personalized experience, improved customer services, new business models. These are the opportunities of opportunities. Then opportunity, demarketing, expertise, and learning. Generative AI is breaking down batteries to knowledge and expertise, making high quality educations and professional capabilities accessible to everyone, regardless of background or budget. Then, a personalized educations, professional trainer, and small business empowerment. Personalized education, AI tutor and access assistant and adapted to individual learning style, enabling self-directed learning at any space. Students receive instant feedback, customized explanations, and unlimited patience. Then professional training. Medical education increasingly uses AI for realistic simulations and enhanced writing assistant, helping the students develop critical and skills more effectively. Then small business empowerment. Entrepreneur and small business can now create professional marketing content, business plans, and customer communications without expense analysis of a large budget. represent of the fundamental shift in the how knowledge and capabilities are distributed throughout society, potentially reducing inequality and unlocking human potential at unprecedented scale. These are some new opportunities of demarketing and expertise and learning. Then, generative AI in real-world example. From labels to life, practical transformation everywhere. Generative AI has moved behind experimental laboratories and everyday applications that are fundamentally transforming and how we work, learn, create, and solving problems across the virtually every industries and sectors. Then some real world example: healthcare, education, entertainment. Healthcare. A AI generated diagnostic summarize streamline clinical workflow while intelligent patients communications aids improve care coordinations and accessibilities. Education. Education personalized learning assistance and adapt to individual students' needs and automated content generations help educations create a customized material at a scale. Entertainment. Entertainment scripting writing tools accelerate creative development. AI assistant in music composition and digital art co-creations opens new creative possibilities. Then mainly use business applications and research development. College students are mainly using the ChatGPT and Copilot and Gemini. Then business applications mainly use marketing, copy and content generation, intelligent customer and support chatbot, data-driven decision support tools, then automated report generations. Research and development. Material research using the generative simulations, accelerated drugs discovery process, then product modeling and optimization, scientific data and synthesis. The main impact of the generative AI in real-world example, generative AI is already rewriting the workflow across every industries, from healthcare and education to entertainment and scientific research. The question is no longer whether to adapt AI, but how to integrate the strategically and responsibly. Then how to challenge. Some challenge already see. Challenge means accuracy, bias, and the ethical concern, IP issues, then data privacy and security, workforce and challenges, high cost, lack of transparency, integrations, and scalability. Some challenges in the ethical and legal complexities. As generative AI complexities expand, so do the ethical and legal questions surrounding this use. Organization and individual face complex decision about intellectual property and data privacy and the potential for misuse. The main challenges of ethical and legal complexities, misinformation risk, and intellectual property concern, plagiarism and attributions. These are the main challenges of ethical and legal complexities. AI, misinformation and risk. AI can generate convincing but false content, from fake news articles to deep videos, threading and information integrity and public trust. And intellectual property concern. Amazon has warned employee not to share private code with ChatGPT due to risk of IP leakage and potential expose of trade secret. These are the intellectual property concerns. Then AI-generated content raises questions about originality, like copyright and proper attribution when models are trained on the existing creative works. They evaluate the regulatory landscape. Government worldwide are racing to establish framework for responsible AI use. The European Union AI Act represented the most comprehensive regulator approach to data, while the United States continues policy debates across the federal and state levels. Organization must stay agile and informed as those the regulations evolve. Then, next, challenges. Challenges, some transparency and accountability. Already I told no. Transparency and lack of transparency. Lack of transparency means it can be difficult to understand how models create a specific output. It can be difficult to understand how models create the specific output, and implementing the generative AI effectively within the existing system can complex and time consuming. Then building trust through openness. For AI system to be trusted and used responsibly, users must understand when and how AI is being deployed. Lack of transparency erodes confidence and can lead to harmful applications going the unchecked. When AI makes an error or causes harm, accountability become murky. This is the developer responsible, the organization deploying, the user who prompted it. These questions are remaining largely answered. And the main challenges are transparency and accountability, disclosure requirement, ethical framework, audit trails, and digital literacy. These are the main challenges of transparency and the accountability. Disclosure requirement. Disclosure requirement means clear labeling when content is a generator or when AI assistant in decision making process. Then ethical framework. Ethical framework means industry standard and organized policies that define responsible AI use and deployment. And third one, audit trails, comprehensive documentations of AI system decisions and the data used to train them. Then fourth one, digital literacy, education program that help users critically evaluate AI outputs and understand the limitations. Transparency is not just a nice to. So it is a fundamental of AI system. The society can trust and deliver the equitable outcome for all users. Then challenges, infrastructure and scalability. Infrastructure and scalability. Scalability means implementing the generative AI effectively within existing system can be complex or time consuming. These are the scalabilities. Scalability means implementing the generative AI effectively within existing system can be complex and time consuming. Then the computational demand of generative AI present significant infrastructure challenges. This system requires massive processing power, sophisticated storage, solution and real-time data handling the capabilities that pushes the boundaries of the current technology. 2% is extra byte by 2029. Then infrastructure. Sorry. Infrastructure and scalability. The infrastructure challenges high performance data storage required for training and high performance real artificial of AI workloads and edge computing to then sustainability dimension. Sustainability dimension, balancing innovation and environmental responsibility. Generative AI explosive growth is bringing a critical challenge, balancing the technological innovations and with environmental sustainability. The computational demand of training and running large AI models have significant environment implications that cannot be ignored.
Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very not visible, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, ma'am, one second. Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. You can continue your session, ma'am. Last we will attach the PPT to everyone. What's it, ma'am?
Sure. Okay,
Yeah,
thank
we
you,
will
ma'am.
share. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm thank Okay, ma'am. 1 second. Okay, ma'am. Then
No, ma'am.
challenge.
Share your PPT to our WhatsApp number, ma'am. We will share the screen, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டேன் மேம். உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Ma'am, can you see?
No, ma'am. Only share over WhatsApp window only, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, now only visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, okay, thank you. Okay, sorry for that. Then challenges. Some challenge in the data quality and bias the risk. The quality of AI outputs is extractively linked to the quality of training data. When the data contain bias, inaccuracies, or gaps, the AI system built upon them the predicate and some simplify this loss. Data quality and bias, these are the main challenges. First, already I do know challenges, accuracy and bias and the ethical concern. Bias and ethical concern means AI model can amplify Ma'am? Hello? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay, I'm visible, ma'am.
Yeah,
Sorry.
okay. Yeah,
Some
okay.
travel problem.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. I actually informed.
Sure, okay. Thank you. Sorry. Then sorry. The sustainability and dimensions. Balancing innovations and environmental responsibility. Generative AI explosive growth bring to the critical challenge balancing the technological innovations with the environmental sustainability. The computational demand of training and running the large AI models can significant the environmental implications that cannot be ignored. The future AI must be the sustainable, smart innovations without responsibility for the not progress. Then mainly useful for the sustainability dimensions, energy cost, green AI research, edge AI optimizations, and cooperation. On the energy cost, training the large AI models consume massive amount of electrical powers. Some models emit the hundred of tons of CO2 during the training, equivalent to the lifetime emissions of multi-cats. Then green AI research. Our research are developing the smaller, more efficient models and advocating for renewable powered data center to reduce an environmental impact. Then edge AI optimization. Edge AI reduce dependency on cloud computing.
Are you there?